Welcome to Auto Guide, the only automobile segment on television where we enlighten, inform, and educate you on all you need to know about your cars. This week, we will be talking about the air conditioner in your car. Is the air condition cooling properly? What makes your air condition fail? Are you having problems with your air condition? All this we will know through our auto engineer, Mr. Patrick Okunweda.
In this weather where we have 38 degrees, 28 degrees in the morning, is your AC cooling? Are you having issues with your AC? We want to highlight few of them. First of all, the AC filter. Many of us don't know where the AC filter is, so we don't even bother to change.
Your air condition filter stops dust from coming into your cabin. When it gets blocked, it will affect the evaporator. A bad condenser affects your compressor. The type of compressor you use determines the longevity of your AC. When trying to change your air condition, try to get the automatic compressor. It gives it the proper cooling temperature and makes it last longer.
Nowadays, we used to say there is no automatic compressor, but with serious importers, we now have good automatic compressors. So if you are going to change your air conditioner, try and get the automatic. Ensure that you use the right climate control settings. If it's in Fahrenheit, it's 72 degrees. Set it on it. When you are in a warm weather, the AC increases. When the weather is cold, the AC decreases. So you will not be too cold and too hot.
When you have problems with your car, change the condenser and the compressor of your air condition. Make sure it is original and the one that fits your car. Change your air filter regularly from time to time. With this, you won't be having problems with your condenser or your evaporator. All this will help your air condition temperature cool better and also make it last longer. This is how we ended on today's segment of Auto Guide. Do join us again next time.